Today I'm going to share 3 awesome apps to make money from your phone. So what we'll do is we'll go over all 3 of them. I'll show you how they work, how you get paid using the apps and what you need to do. We'll cover setting everything up. Now you do not need any experience, you do not need any skills, and all of these are incredibly easy to get started with, and I'll show you that in the video. And also they're all free, so you don't need any money to get started with this neither. Now all 3 of these apps, they've all been around for a number of years. They're available in lots of different countries, and that not only do these apps work with big companies, some of these are actual huge companies who own these apps as well. So they've got a lot of backing behind them. They've been around for a number of years, and we'll go through and I'll show you some of the different reviews for these. Now make sure you watch this video till the end because we'll go over this step by step. But once we've done that, I'll then share with you how you can actually earn more money with these different apps. And I'll also share feedback from people who are using these apps every single day and making money. And this testimonial down here, you can see this. This is one person who used one app, and in 2 months alone you can see that they earn a total of £1,900. Now I'm in the UK, so this currency here, obviously it's the UK currency, but ultimately what they've done is they've been able to earn £950 for the past 2 months using this one of the apps that I'm going to be sharing with you today. So let's jump into this video and I'll show you 3 awesome apps that you can use to make money very simply using just your phone. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to be covering 3 apps that you can use to make money on your phone. Now this come about because I did an article over on my blog a couple of months ago and we looked at probably about 20 different apps, and the 3 I'm going to share with you today, these are in my opinion probably the 3 best. But look, if you want to go ahead and check out the full article, I'll drop a link to it below. You can go over here and it will walk you through this. There's also apps on here that you can use to make money and save money, and there's lots more on here. So like I say, I'll drop a link to this below. Feel free to go ahead and check out this blog article here, but ultimately I'm going to be covering the 3 which I think are the best. So the first app we're going to be looking at is this one here, and it's called Job Spotter, and this is incredibly easy to do. You can see it's currently got a 4.1 star rating over on the Play Store from coming up to 6,000 downloads, and basically you get paid to spot jobs. Now let me show you this. So let me just scroll through here, I'll show you the actual app. So how this works is you download the app and you see here, take photos of help wanted signs and storefronts, and that really is it. So you take a picture of someone who's basically advertising a job, and you take a picture of the front of the shop or the store, and then you earn points doing so. So you can see in here, send in your pics and earn points when approved, and then points equal prizes, and then you can basically use your prizes and convert them into different gift cards, and you can it's Amazon gift cards, this one. So this is Job Spotter. Now I did a few different reviews for this, but basically it's broken down into 5 really simple steps. So how Job Spotter works, well, you install the app, and then when you're out and about, if you see any signs or any help signs or jobs wanted, you basically take a picture of the sign and the storefront, and then you earn points for every single submission that you submit, and then you can redeem them for Amazon gift cards. Now I did a few different reviews for us. I did a few research when I was doing this video this morning. I was doing a bit of research on this and I found a couple of articles with you. So the first one is over on this here. This is themirror.co.uk, and this is someone here, and you can see how I made £700 using the Job Spotter service. So if we go through here, I'll show you some tips on here of what this lady put on here. So it talks about at the top how she was cynical about this, but let's just go through and I'll show you this. So keep coming down here. So she goes through how it works. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. Feel free to go and check out this article. Now here, this image here, these are the different submissions that this person has uploaded onto the app. So you can see on here, there's one here, another one here, another one, another one. And this is how it looks inside. So they're literally taking a picture of the sign, taking a picture of the storefront and uploading. And you can see the earn points for every single one that they upload. And all the points, they're always different. And I'll show you another article in a second. Now scroll down here, there's a couple of things I want you to know about this. So it can take a few days for ads to be approved. Occasionally they'll be rejected, and that is either because there are duplicates, and that basically means another job spotter has beaten you to it, or the sign is unreadable. So keep an eye out for that. So when you are taking your pictures, make sure that they are clear. Now if I scroll down here, getting addicted to finding jobs. So there's something else where you can make more money on this. And basically what happens is the people with the most points can earn additional prizes. Now if I scroll down here, you can see, let's go to this. So this lady here, so this is how much she earned from using this app. You can see, so she earned 1,415, and then she also earned £464 in bonus gift cards. So she earned in total £1,900. Now if I scroll down here, that's pretty much the article done. So I'll drop a link to this article here for you. The other one, very briefly, that I'll show you, I just want to show you this one here, because they talk a little bit about the differences between the points that you can earn on here. So again, this is over on Skin Dad. Now this article here, if I just scroll down here really quickly for you, click on here, this is it's because they've got ads on the website. Whenever you go onto a website with ads, they do tend to run a bit slower. So window shopping page, let's scroll down here, I'll show you this. Go through the Job Spotter app, how much can you make? So you can see on here, each advert is worth different amounts depending on the kind of place or the shop that is hiring. So you can see you'll be able to make a maximum of 150 points according to the app, which is in the UK. In the UK, it's about £1.50. So in this example, you can earn £1.50 for simply uploading a picture. And you can see here, I've been able to make as much as £1.90 on some of my spots. Now if I scroll down here, you can see that, so this is the submissions that they've done here. So they've got 34 points, we've got a duplicate, you can see this one here, 17 points, and then they've got 190, and then they've also got 13 points down below as well, and then there's another one here. So that is how it works. Now all of them say here about this earn extra. If I scroll down here, see there's a monthly contest where people who take the most photos of help signs win extra cash, and you can see on here first place gets $300, second is $150, and third place means you get $50. Now you can see on here, trouble is the winners are serious window shoppers. In June, the person who came first place managed to score over 101,000 points. But that is the first app. It's called Job Spotter. Really simple. Download the app whenever you're out and about. Take a picture if you see anybody who's advertising a job or looking for help. Upload it on here. You earn points, and then you convert your points into Amazon gift cards. So I'll drop links to all of these different websites I've put below, so you can go ahead and check these out. So let me come out of this one, come out of this one, come out of this one. The next website I'm going to share with you is this one, and believe it or not many people know about this one, and it is, where is it? Sorry, let me go to the tab. It's this one here. It's called Google Opinion Rewards. Now, this is Google's own reward platform. And how this works is, you've got two options on here. You want to be looking on the left. So it says Surveys app. So download and answer quick surveys in your spare time. How it works, you can see, let's just highlight this for you. So you complete short surveys while standing in line, or basically whenever you want. Topics include opinion polls, hotel reviews, merchant satisfaction surveys, and lots more. So if we go over to the Google Play Store, again it is available on the App Store, but you simply go and download this app. Now this has had a hell of a lot of downloads. You can see this is the rating. It's currently had 912,789 feedback, and it's got, what's that, 4 out of 5 star rating for this. So let me show you how it looks inside the app. Just click on here, and this is basically how this looks inside this. So you can see new survey available. It tells you exactly when it expires, and you go through, you answer the survey, and you earn money for doing so. So here's an example here. Question 2 of 5. Do you enjoy watching do you enjoy watching basketball on television? Yes or no? And that's it. And you go through, you answer the questions, and you earn Google Play credits. Now, if you scroll down here, it tells you a little bit more about this, how this works basically. So you get notifications on your phone whenever there's a survey that's available for you, and you can receive up to, now again I'm in the UK, so in the UK you receive up to 60 pence in play credit for completing questions. Now again, depending on your country, it could be higher, it could be lower. It just depends on wherever you're based basically. So this is the Google Opinion Rewards. it's a pretty decent app. It's got good feedback on here, so this is one that I recommend for you. There's another option that you have on here as well, is the audience measurement. So you can actually get rewards for watching television and using the internet like you normally do, but we'll cover that in a video at a later date. But the one you want to be looking for is the surveys app over on the left hand side here. Now the third one I want to share with you is this one here, and you can actually use this in conjunction with Job Spotter. This is called Field Agent, and how this works is when you're out and about doing, whatever you normally do in the city or in the town or anything, you can get paid for taking pictures of merchandising and displays, and even getting paid to go into restaurants and things like that. But how this works is, if I scroll down here, you can see all these images here, these have all been taken by what are known as field agents. So people who have downloaded the app, they get given a task, and then they go into a supermarket or a store or a shop, restaurant, bar, etc, etc, and you can see they will like take a picture like this and then upload some comments for this and then submit this. And what's happening here is big companies want to see how their displays are looking, in shops, in restaurants, in wherever. They want to know exactly how it's displayed. Is it merchandised correctly? Is it properly? And this is just a cheap way for them to guarantee that it's being done properly by employing what are known as field agents. So the field agent, this is the field agent website. So let me go and show you the app and how the app looks inside. So you can see it's currently had 5,191 reviews. So what happens is you download the app. Let me show you this. So you download the app, and this is how it will look inside of the app, and it will show you jobs available within your location. So in this example here, you can see there's all these different jobs available on here. Now it tells you on here, so you've got a photo shoot, you've got a screener, and there's other things available on here. It'll tell you exactly what the job is and what's required of you. So like in this one here, this photo shoot, these jobs require you to take several photos in order to complete the job. So exactly like these photos here that we looked at a second ago. Once you've done that and you go through, and you can see on here that you submit it, and then you've got your recent job history down here, you've got your total number of points and how many you've completed, and then you've also got cash out on here as well. And this is just filling out your profile on here. But that's basically how this looks. So let me come out of there. So it's really simple. Download the app. On here they will ask you to take photos, answer questions, express your opinions, and execute other small tasks on here. Now there is one thing to note on here. Let me find this for you. It's this here. Once you accept one of the jobs, you normally get 2 hours. Now some of the jobs do go up to 4 hours, but normally on average it says once you've accepted a job, they expect you to complete it within 2 hours. So once you've downloaded the app, browse jobs in your area, and you accept a job, you'll be expected to complete this within 2 hours. You then submit your work, and then once you've submitted this, you get paid via direct deposit into your bank. Jobs generally pay between $2 and $12. And that's that. Now I did find an article on Field Agent. I'll drop a link to this below for you. It's this one over here. It's called Gig Hustlers. And this will here basically, you can see it walks you through absolutely everything about this, what they like about it, what they don't like, final thoughts, etc. It's a very in-depth article, and I recommend it if you're interested in checking out Field Agent. But you can incorporate Field Agent at the same time as doing Job Spotter. So if you're out and about and you see any jobs, you can take pictures of these with the Job Spotter app, and you can also very quickly check your phone for Field Agent and see if there's any jobs near you. So that is today's 3 different apps that you can use. You've got Field Agent, we've got Google Opinions, and then we've also got Job Spotter. That's 3 different ones that you can use. If you're looking for more, feel free to go over to the blog and check out this article, list 15 of the best money saving apps. All of these apps on here, they'll show you not only how to save money, but how you can also make money as well. So thanks for watching, have a great day, I'll see you tomorrow.